Hey y'all, Sam here, and today we're going to unbox the Boxy Charm Luxe box, and I'm super excited to share this with you guys. Look how massive this box is. This is a normal Boxy Charm box right here compared to this one. I'm just saying, this box is normally amazing. The normal subscription is $21 a month and you get 5 full-size products. And then if you upgrade to a Boxy Luxe, you get, I believe, 10 full-size products. And this box is $49.99 plus some shipping. So I think it was like $53 total. But you're going to get probably about $300 worth of products in here. So they say. We're about to find out. Just in case you're curious, when you upgrade your normal box to the Luxe box, you don't get a normal box that month because whatever the products are in the normal box will also be in your Luxe box, plus the extra 5 items, if you were wondering. Alright, so inside we have a card here, and on the back it tells us all of our products and actually how much these products are worth. I love that they include this in all of their boxes, whether it's the small one or the big one. You get to know what is in there and how much they cost. Alright, so the first thing on top of my box is this beautiful cosmetics bag. It is like, I don't know, like alligator skin. That's rose gold plus hollow. Hopefully the hollow is picking up on camera because it's actually really cool looking. Alright, so inside it says Boxy Charm. That lets me know that this product must have been made for the Boxy Charm bag. So I'm going to look on my card and see how much this bag is worth. This was made exclusively for Boxy Charm, and this bag is worth $20, which I do agree with. I know they made it themselves so they could say it's worth anything, but most cosmetics bags, especially about this size, would typically cost you $20 or more. And yeah, I think I can probably fit everything that's going to be in the box in here. Alright, so the next item I see in my box are these lashes. And these are limited edition faux mink lashes. And these are by LILLY Lashes. I've never tried LILLY Lashes, but I've heard great things about them. They're just a little pricey. These lashes are $24.99. However, you can rewear fake lashes many, many times as long as you take care of them. Here they are out of the package. Oh wow, they feel like hair. Alright, these feel really, really nice, so I'm definitely excited to try these out. As y'all know, I love me some fake eyelashes, and for $24, okay y'all, between these two, we've already got $45 worth of value. We only need $5 more, and we've made up the price of this box. Next item I have is from Wander Beauty, and Boxy Charm and Wander Beauty definitely have a good relationship because we've been getting a lot of Wander Beauty products from them, and so far everything I've tried has been pretty darn amazing. So this I am excited to try. It is called the Lit Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, and it is in rose gold. It comes safety sealed. Love that. Alright, we're going to squirt some out and we're going to peel it. It might take a few minutes to dry, but. Alright, so here is that mask. I'm just going to move it around. As you can see, it is a beautiful rose gold color. I'm not going to push it too thin because we do want to be able to peel it. Alright, we're going to leave her there and then we will peel it. Hopefully by the end of this video it'll be dry. And if I didn't say it, this mask is $34. Wow. Next thing I have in my box here is from Iconic London, and this is an eyebrow cushion. And I have to say, I did cheat a little bit. I opened this box earlier, so this isn't all a surprise to me. Okay, so here is what this eyebrow kit looks like. It's very pretty packaging, but it's very, very fingerprinty. Alright, this is what the inside looks like, and it has a little seal here and another little seal, which is good because it's cushion, and that is what the inside looks like. So it looks like we have a lighter brown and a darker brown color, as well as a little brush and spoolie. Ooh. All right, so here is the brush and spoolie. And let's go ahead and try it out here on the back of my hand. Oh, wow. We'll try the darker one too. That is like ultra smooth, you guys. One of my friends mentioned to me that this was going to be in the box. So when my box arrived, I will say I did open it already and grabbed this sucker out. I actually used it on my brows today when I was filming my e.l.f. makeup video, and I love this product. This product is amazing, and it will make doing your brows literally half the time that it normally takes, at least for me. Because normally my brows take me forever. And this retails for $40, and we got it in a box for $50. Oh gosh, look, see, look everywhere you touch. You see all them fingerprints? Ugh. Okay, that drives me crazy. So even though the packaging is beautiful, I wish it would have been matte to where it wouldn't be so fingerprinty. All right, so next in this box, we have these two nail polishes, and these are from DEBORAH LIPPMANN. And these are beautiful. I told y'all, I already got in this box before I started filming it for y'all. So this is the first color, and this is called Modern Love, and then the other color is called Oh Donna. As you can see, Oh Donna has glitter in it, and Modern Love is more of a mauve, just solid paint. And I've already painted my nails with it. What do you think? These nail polishes retail for $20, so that is $10 per polish. Whew, that's a pretty pricey polish, but they are beautiful. All right, next we have this COVERFX palette. Y'all, this palette is beautiful. It was killing me not to rub my fingers in there and do any swatches of this prior to filming this video. But now that we're filming, you know, we're gonna have to swatch some of this. So I'm really excited about this contour color. It looks like a beautiful color. Let's go right here. Ooh, yes. Love it. And then the blush. That is the blush there. Let's go ahead and do these highlights. That is highlight number 1 and highlight number 2. So one of these looks to be more rose gold and the other one looks to be a little more gold. And then let's test out this brightener. So the brightener also seems to be kind of like a highlighter as well. And then the finishing powder, I'm not expecting to see it anywhere. That is the finishing powder right here. Yeah, you probably can't see that at all. This is a beautiful palette, and I am so excited that we received this in this month's box. I believe if you got the normal box, you got this as well. All right, if you were curious, my palette is in the light to medium color, which I think is perfect for my skin tone. And this palette retails for $45. That is killer, y'all. In a box for $50, we got a $45 palette. All right, next I pulled out here a lipstick from BECCA, and this is called Ultimate Lipstick Love. So is love the color? Oh no, the color is Mocha. It says in Mocha. I have not taken this one out yet, so let's see. Ooh, I love this packaging, and it says BECCA in the top. It feels like a magnet. It is. Do you hear that? This has a magnetic lid. I love that. It also says BECCA right here on the lipstick tube, and let's check her out. Wow, that is a really, really pretty color, and I feel like this will be wearable for most people. Let's go ahead and swatch her. Oh wow, there's the swatch of Mocha. Have to say, this looks so creamy on my skin. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try this out on my lips. Since I'm doing a wear test on this e.l.f. makeup that I'm currently wearing, I am not going to remove my makeup and try this, but I'm looking forward to trying it very, very soon. And this BECCA lipstick retails for $24. All right, next in the box we have some brushes from MODA. I don't think I've ever tried any MODA brushes. These retail for $29.99 for 2 brushes. Here are the brushes. They are very well packaged. These handles are just gorgeous. And this one is a powder brush. Oh my gosh, y'all. This feels amazing. And then this one is a glow brush. This is definitely different than the normal highlighting brushes I use. However, I feel like this could work really, really well. The handles seem to be very good quality as well. They have a little bit of weight to them, and I love the finish of these. The next item in this box I am super excited about because I buy Confidence in a Cream from It's Cosmetics on a regular basis, and I do pay $48 for this. So I know that is the price. Yes, that is the price. I wanted to make sure before I told you wrong, but I thought it was $48. So the product comes in this really nice glass jar with a metal lid. It has a little protector, and that is what the cream looks like. It comes with 2 ounces in here, which is pretty expensive. $48 for 2 ounces of cream. However, after using this cream, I definitely saw an improvement in the texture of my skin, and it's been a lot less oily. Therefore, it's worth the price to me. Alright, so the last item in my box is this Morphe palette, and this is called Night Master 15N. I'm assuming that's the palette name. But then on the side it says Blend the Rules. But then it says Master the Night. So I'm assuming this is called the Master the Night palette. It is in some bubble wrap inside. And here is the palette. It is a very clean black palette. I like Morphe's packaging. And here is the palette. These are definitely my colors. I love oranges and browns and purples. We're not going to swatch all of these, but we're going to definitely swatch some of these. So let's swatch Selfie. I need a makeup wipe, don't I? Alright, we'll do it right here. So this one is Selfie. Ooh, I like that. Let's do Vava Voom. That is Vava Voom. Let's do Scene. Y'all, these are so pigmented. Glitter going. Let's do Excuse Me. Alright, so I thought Excuse Me was going to be purple, but it looks brown when I put it on my skin. Let's do Illustrated. Again, it looks slightly different than I thought it was going to look. And let's do Unique, which is gold. Okay, y'all, I am definitely going to have to try this palette out very, very soon. Maybe I will film a video for you guys. I am not a great tutorialist, but maybe practice will make me better. It's definitely not gonna make me perfect, but maybe it'll make me better. Alright, so I have just added up everything that we received in this bag, and it is $302 worth of products that we paid, or I paid, $53 for with tax. So I don't know how else to say. This is amazing. Like, I love Boxy Charm. The monthly subscription is amazing. This new upgrade box is just extra amazing. And if you haven't tried it, you definitely should. I will leave a referral link in my description box. I don't get paid or anything like that for a referral. I buy this box myself. However, if you use my link to sign up, then I do get like little referral points that I can earn free products with. So if you want to help me out, then use that link. Oh, this. We haven't peeled this peel off mask. So I think she's dry. All right. So I think the mask is dry now. Let's go ahead and peel together. Do you hear it? There it is. Check out the texture on that. That is just crazy. It looks like alligator skin. Alright, let's see how my hand... Ooh. Wow, my hand feels so much softer in that spot. it also feels less texturized. Is it just me? Or does it also look less texturized? Like maybe the mask peeled off some of my dead skin? Okay, so this is definitely a very, very entertaining to me. Some people are going to be so grossed out by this. But it just looks like when you're peeling after you've gone to the beach. It's just crazy. But I do think it made my skin feel so much softer. I will definitely be trying this out very, very soon. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. Leave me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you just hate me. Hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully you love me. I love me. But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified each time I upload a video. Well, thank you guys so much, and until next time, bye y'all.